Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm show you some outdoor decor that I've done. This is my flower bed that I recently did in another video where I went to Lowe's and picked up some sunflowers. Channel, how's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I decorated my outdoor space. These are some flowers I picked up from Lowe's that I do not know the name of them. The reason why I got them because it says they like full sun. We need to pull up, and I'm showing you here. This is a termite station that Cook's Pest Control installed. I had some trouble with termites, and I also had trouble with ants. That's an ant bait. So I'm showing you the weeds. All these weeds we need to pull up. So we're gonna get to work. This was some hard work, but also relaxing at the same time. I guess it keeps your mind off things while you working. So I'm doing this video to encourage you to go outside and do some yard work. All right, we got all the weeds. Well, most of the weeds pulled up, got it looking decent. My husband just blowing the extra leaves away right here. So I did this video to encourage you to get outside and get you some fresh air and do some of this hard work that I've just finished doing. Just kidding, but anyway, I'm trying to encourage you to get outside to, get your mind off things. So that was the purpose of this video. That I picked up from Aldi's, my favorite store. I'm sorry, Dollar Tree, I've been cheating on you with Aldi's, but I just love Aldi's. And I picked it up for like $12 about 2 years ago, and I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and put this in my flower bed area. A mercury glass planter that my sister gifted me last year, and I have it on some of the Dollar Tree plant hangers. And this is the Eiffel Tower that I picked up from Big Lots last year on clearance. And so this is our outdoor area that we have cleaned up for the spring season. And I have some of my fairy garden figurines in my planter here. And I also have them over here on this 4-tier flower stand. So this is my little collection. Each year I pick up a few new items. That red bird on top of that house is a new item. And I got like 3 new items I picked up this year. And the little water can is new. And so this is a succulent I just stuck in some rocks on that small flower pot. So this is my outdoor area. I think I'll keep it displayed like this for most of the spring. My spring and summer decor is about the same. I may change up a little bit. So this is it. So I want to encourage you to go outside and get you some fresh air. You don't have to do hard work like I did, but just go outside and get you some fresh air. And this is a bird bath that I picked up from Aldi's, and this thing is called I think it's terrarium planter or something. Anyway, I picked it up at, can you believe it, Bath Body Works on clearance. So that's going to conclude this video. This is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save.